Hey, I'm Jason Gray.
And I'm John Randall
with Keller Realty, and we're at 6940 Carleton Park Circle in the popular neighborhood Highgrove. And we're out here on the large front porch that has a wood-burning fireplace that's right across the street from the green space. Let's go take a look inside.
The main level has 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms with hardwood floors throughout.
Highgrove is one of Tuscaloosa's most family-friendly neighborhoods. It has many amenities like green spaces, a playground with pavilion and fireplace, a dog park, an awesome pool and clubhouse, and it's also close to all the ballparks and soccer fields and trails at Sokol Park. It has an incredible master bathroom with quartz countertops and a custom closet.
Upstairs floor plan includes 2 bedrooms with 2 full bathrooms with an amazing home theater room and additional flex space.
For more information or to set up a showing, give us a call at 205-393-1166.